Hey guys, I'm so excited today. Great stuff happening, important announcement and free stuff. So let's get started. So I have 5 big announcements to make. Yeah, and by the way, this is me. Nice to meet you. So the previous milestone was 75,000 subscribers, and at that time I gave you mistakes, lymphatics and myeloma, and this offer lasted for 24 hours. My previous mistakes plus a premium video plus PDF notes about multiple myeloma. So please, in order not to miss future announcement, hit that bell. Today's announcement is a mystery up to this moment. The next milestone is when I reach either 105,000 subscribers on YouTube, 5,000 followers on my Facebook page, or 5,000 followers on Instagram. Check the links in the description below, whichever comes first. If you guys can help me reach 5,000 tomorrow, it's gonna be tomorrow. So 5 big announcements. Free, not free, but free. The first free thing that we will discuss today is my story. Why do I care? Shut up. So that's me studying 5 years ago in Egypt. I realized at early age that first students are struggling and nobody cares about them, which is sad. People will say to them, "Oh, son, man up, please. When we were young, like back in the day." Also, I realized that most professors are incompetent. This is a given. Actually, most of any profession are incompetent. Most doctors are incompetent. Most nurses are incompetent. Most mechanics are incompetent. You can ask me. And of course, most politicians are incompetent. This is just a no-brainer. Textbooks are as ugly as sin. This is a fact of life. I'm trying to mitigate that effect here at Medicosis. And last, science is really interesting. Regardless of the textbook, regardless of your fake professor who cannot find his butt with both hands, actually science is very interesting. So 5 years ago, I was this person, this miserable person studying in his room. Nobody has heard of yet, sitting in his cocoon, in his own lacuna, just like the chondrocyte. And this shy person now has almost 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. It has been incredible. Thank you. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Definiteness of purpose is the starting point of all achievement. So create a plan, write it down, stick to the plan. Show me a store clerk with goals and I will show you a man who will make history. But show me a man with no goals and I will show you a store clerk. JCPenney, which is actually funny because JCPenney started out as a store clerk and then he built his empire called JCPenney stores. Same thing with Macy's. Macy's started as a street peddler and then he became a multi-bazillionaire. You need to have some goals in life. Next, we have a brand new website, yay! And it's called, as you might imagine, medicosisperfectionalis.com. On this website, I have lots of mnemonics and I will be adding more soon. Next, something that's not free, but there are 2 positive things about it. I have a brand new course called Electrolytes course. It consists of 19 videos plus 10 cases with answers and explanation. We'll talk about all of the electrolytes, the sodium, the potassium, the calcium, the phosphate, the magnesium, etc. and even the chloride. We'll talk about the proximal tubule, the thick ascending limb of loop of Henle. We'll talk about the distal convoluted tubule. We'll talk about the diuretics, talk about the hyponatremia and the hypernatremia, how to correct the hyponatremia if you have hyperglycemia, how to correct the hypocalcemia if you have hypoalbuminemia, how to calculate the water deficit, etc., etc., etc. So this course contains 5 hours of videos, about 19 videos, 10 cases plus answers plus explanation in videos, direct download. You can keep it and watch it online, watch these videos, and the download is about 5 gigabytes. That's a lot of content. Here are the main topics: sodium, chloride, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and phosphate. Here are the subtopics that we will mention: normal kidney physiology, different types of saline, the normal saline, the half normal saline, the hypotonic saline, the hypertonic, what's that? We will know. ECG changes caused by electrolyte disturbance. What's going to happen with hypocalcemia? What's going to happen with hyperkalemia, etc. QT shortening versus QT prolongation due to electrolyte disturbance, diabetes insipidus, diabetes mellitus, osmotic demyelination syndrome, hyperparathyroidism, some mnemonics, saline responsive versus saline resistant metabolic alkalosis, hyperchloremic metabolic acidosis versus normal chloremic metabolic acidosis, a smaller gap, anion gap, which do not actually exist. They are gaps in our measurement, gaps in our knowledge. Water deficit calculation, how to correct the calcium for hypoalbuminemia. We will learn about digoxin, about beta agonists and beta blockers and their mechanisms of action. We'll talk about diuretics, we'll talk about the baroreceptors and the carotid sinus syndrome. We'll talk about the SIADH or syndrome of inappropriate ADH. We'll talk about kidney stones, and we'll even talk about the oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve, and more and more and more. And here are some discounts for you. 90% discount went to people who supported me on Patreon before the moment of the recording of this video. Thank you so much, people. 75% discount if you use the promo code electrolytes75 for the first 20 students only. So hurry up. 60% off if you did not catch this one. Go with electrolyte60 to get 60% off for another 20 students. If you didn't make it, try 50% off for everyone watching this video or watching this channel. Use the code electrolytes50. Some of you might try to be smart and will say electrolytes50, 60, 75. Let me try the code electrolytes90 to get the 90% off. Okay, try it and see what will your computer do. It's gonna utter profanities. Mnemonics electrolytes course, please do it, and some free stuff coming. To get the free stuff, you can go to this link or you can go to medicosisperfectionalis.com, click on premium, then click on free and enjoy. I have a brand new video called osteomyelitis. It's amazing what happens when the bacteria invade your bone, and I will make available my mistakes, the video on lymphatics, and my notes on multiple myeloma for free for 48 hours only. So I cannot wait to see you at medicosisperfectionalis.com, and let's see who are the nice 20 students who are gonna warm my heart and make it melt because they will become my first customers. Thank you in advance. And one more thing. If you purchase electrolytes course at any price, you will get 90% off my upcoming antibiotics course, and it's coming later this year before 2019 ends. But you have to purchase this course before my antibiotics course becomes available. 90% off antibiotics. Okay, did you hear that? When you go to the website, please sign up for the newsletter to get a case sent to your email inbox about every month or so. Also, if you like to get my t-shirt, check the links below. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. It's Medicosis Perfectionalis, and as always, be safe, stay happy, and study hard.